fast can one lose weight in 7 days? There is only one safest way for everyone that's dieting. With the Healthy Meal Plan guide, it has become possible to lose weight easily. 7 days healthy diet plan to fast weight loss. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Still feeling hungry even after eating? Well, you can snack on apples or carrots. This meal plan is to help cleanse the body from unhealthy substances while filling them with healthy ones. Do this strictly for 1 week to lose 3 to 5 kg. Enjoy!